as we mentioned, the undefeated defending champions, De La Salle University, going up against Adamson University. Cha Cruz, what a monster game. Actually, let's say what a monster fifth set.
Oh,
Cha Cruz and Coach Mami also, Dulce Plante, another fifth set loss this time. They've gone to two 5-set thrillers. They went through NU.
Yeah.
They were behind by 2-1. They won that one against Ateneo. It was the other side of the table that they experienced. They were up 2-1 and lost to Ateneo. Now it's going to be tougher as they go up against La Salle. As I mentioned, si Jack Alarca yun, ano? Nagpe-prep dun sa yung veterano na. Si Cha Cruz, who just played like a true champion in that fifth set and just carried that La Salle team on her shoulders. Didn't want to go away.
From 7-1 down, 6 points down in that fifth set.
Whether it was service, whether it was attacking, she did it all for La Salle. They're undefeated because of that effort. In the meantime, 18-10 now is the score. Catching the tape of the net. Serving, Maricardi Pomoceno, 11, serving 18. That's out. It's going to sail out. It's a free point for FEU here, who are looking to win today the way they won last Wednesday, which is through straight sets. Giselle C. Salibad to Byron, checked at the net. NU unable to recover. 5 points away from wrapping up this match. And it's still the former product of the San Antonio Padua College in Pila, Laguna. And see Giselle C. Salibad sends it to the other side for a free ball. Vargas off speed. And a disorganized looking National University right now. Behind by 10. 21 serving 11. Maricar will send it to the other side for another free ball opportunity here for FEU. Salibad back to Byron. Cross court taken by Basas. Vargas puts a little bustard into that one and puts it away for the 22-11 count. Dawson will come in for FEU. So FEU, Ian, winning straight sets last Wednesday, looking to duplicate that today.
And by doing that, they will move up
5-3.
Oh. And
that's already their win output last year.
That's right.
5-9 sila.
5-9. So ito, kita natin, even with the loss of their #1 attacker, quickly they have adjusted. And now they're looking good, you know? Especially the way they're playing together as a team. Yun yung pinaka-importante, because without any superstar, talagang you would need every ounce of effort from all of the 6 ladies on the floor.
Agno saving that. Yes, that's right. Sabi ko nga, parang they did not miss a beat. Even with Moraida. Already off FEU. So here's NU delaying the probably the inevitable now. Down 13-22. Chance for a quick. Basas could not keep the ball up.
Down with a big quick play.
So 14-22.
Nice serve there.
And ni Agno, kayang-kaya. Agno na galing La Salle pa. Oh, hinawakan pa ni Basas.
And as he glanced at the coaching staff, yung kapalit niya papunta na sa referee.
Hindi na, okay na yun.
Lumilingon pa lang yung may padating na nakapalit eh.
Well, she did what she could already for this match. Rojas now this time scoring 2 points away from another straight sets victory are the FU Lady Tamaraws.
And you really have to talk. They're going to talk a lot about a lot of things. They have to really iron out.
That's 7 straight losses.
Oh.
Ian, after winning
The first.
against UP. Yeah.
The first and only.
They were 5-9 last year. Obviously, they still have a chance to get to equal at least that team standing. But realistically, the way the other teams have been playing, it's not looking good. Yes. They go back row. Diego handles it. That's long. Too wide for the cross-court attack.
Right. No touch here from the block. Dawson.
So Diego and Dawson now, the shock troopers for Coach Nespa Millar. Hilalio. Good dig by Salibad. Hilalio misses that set from Giselle C.
Mababa na naman eh. And Giselle C, the problem with her, whenever she tries that big kick, sometimes she pulls back, paatras siya. So talagang mababa yung magiging lipad ng ball. Dapat kahit pa drum set ka, you still should be going forward para patusok yung bola pataas.
Diego unable to handle that. Here's a sign from the bench of FEU, which includes, by the way, Coach Shaq.
Yeah.
Back home.
Tama.
Back home. But not without some jewelry sa UST.
Meron, siyempre.
Kahit pa paano.
May naiuwi.
Well, he's very happy being back home. He's very happy not only being back in FEU, but he's very happy with the batch of girls that they have right now. He thinks they have a lot of promise, and what he likes about the batch of girls that they're coaching right now is the attitude. Parang walang ka-ere-ere. Kahit isa daw dyan sa mga babaeng yan. As we are at match point, by the way. Sabi nga nila, pagka mga ganyan stage, wala pang mga sunga yan.
Abangan nyo.
Diego for the free ball. 18 for NU, 24 for FEU. Agno still saving that as usual. Yes.
Inside for Vargas.
And that's a point, which means they wrap it up. Agno, by the way, the #1 digger of the tournament. So we should not be surprised. Also the 3rd best receiver after the first round of the tournament. So she's done all the dirty work for Coach Nespa Millar to contribute to this straight sets victory. 25-15, 25-19, 25-18. And the woes continue for National University.
Wala, ganun rin. Just like the continuation of that last outing in the first round. Still a dominating performance by the FEU squad, and tong NU still, they have to talk a lot about how they approach the game. It's more mental, as what the report said earlier. Ganun din ang nakikita nating problema for NU. The talent is there. Obviously, Kai Nepomuceno, by her own, even if she's 100%, won't be able to win matches if it's just her doing all the work. Kailangan everyone is on the same page, everyone contributes, and yun ang nawawala ngayon sa NU.
Straight sets victory. Ang ganda nung gesture ni Coach Nespa Millar. Sinabi niya kay Maricard na uminom pa nung drink.
To rehydrate.
Yes, to rehydrate. Parang sinabihan nila when they went to the bench. Dahil nakikita niya nakikita pa niya, wala pa, hindi pa full strength. Itong si Maricard Nepomuceno off the other team, National University. All right, Jazz Reyes with our best player, the #1 setter of the league,